Hello everyone, I am Ritika. Welcome to my first video. Today we are going to explore the rich world of Indian musical instruments. The soulful strings of sitar and the rhythmic beats of tabla, these instruments have shaped the Indian music and also captivated the audiences globally. So let's begin.
India is a land of rich cultural heritage, and music plays an integral role in this vibrant tapestry. The Indian musical instruments, each with its own unique history and sound, have not only shaped the nation's music but have also enchanted audiences worldwide. Welcome to the melodious world of Indian musical instruments. India boasts a diverse array of musical instruments, each reflecting the country's deep-rooted traditions and cultural diversity. From the soulful strings of the sitar to the rhythmic beats of the tabla, these instruments have a story to tell, a story that transcends time and borders. Indian musical instruments can be broadly categorized into four types: string, wind, percussion, and idiophones. String instruments like the sitar and sarod are known for their melodic resonance and are staples in Indian classical music. Wind instruments such as the basuri, also known as flute, and shanai add a soulful breathing quality to the music, often used in classical and folk traditions. Percussion instruments, including the tabla and mridangam, are crucial in creating rhythm, offering a heartbeat to the music. Idiophones, like the manjira and ghungru, produce sound from the material itself, often used in dance performances and folk music. The history of Indian musical instruments is as old as the civilization itself, with references found in ancient texts like the Natya Shastra. These instruments were not just tools for making music, they were integral to religious rituals, royal courts, and social gatherings. Over the centuries, Indian instruments like the sitar and tabla have crossed borders, influencing global music. Icons like Ravi Shankar brought the sitar to the international fame, showcasing the beauty of Indian music to the world. Let's take a closer look at some of the most iconic Indian instruments and the maestros who mastered them. The sitar, with its long neck and resonant strings, is synonymous with Indian classical music. It was popularized globally by the legendary Ravi Shankar, whose daughter Anushka Shankar continues his legacy. The tabla, a pair of hand drums, is essential in both classical and popular Indian music. Zakir Hussain, a virtuoso of the tabla, has taken this instrument to new heights, blending traditional rhythms with modern influences. The veena, one of the oldest Indian instruments, is revered in Carnatic music. Its deep, sonorous tones are often associated with devotion and spirituality. The shanai, with its piercing yet melodic sound, is traditionally played during weddings and auspicious events. Mr. Bismillah Khan is perhaps the most famous shanai player, whose performances are legendary. Indian musical instruments have not remained confined to classical genres. In modern times, these instruments are finding new expressions in fusion music, where they blend seamlessly with Western instruments to create a unique sound. Technological advancements have also led to the creation of electronic versions of these instruments, making them more accessible to a new generation of musicians. Bollywood music, a significant part of Indian popular culture, often features traditional instruments, keeping them relevant and appreciated by a global audience. As you explore the diverse sounds of Indian music, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship, history, and the artistry behind each instrument. Whether you are listening to a classical raga or Bollywood hit, these instruments are the soul of Indian music.
Hope you like it. Please share your views in the comment section and share this video with your friends. And for more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Thank you.